So this game is going to be guess the word. So I'm going to give you guys some sounds, and it's going to be your job to guess the words. The first one is going to be ch. Chop. All right, next one is, yeah, like chopsticks. Pig. So we're going to be making words with these letters, but first we're going to review the letter sound. So when I point to the letter, tell me what sound. What sound? Sound? Yeah, all right. So the first word we're going to make is the word am. Can you guys say am?
Am.
All right, so build the word am. Okay, let's double check our word to make sure it says am. Am. Does that say am? Yeah. All right, did you guys notice how the A is a little bit different in this word? It makes the A sound, but normally an A makes the A sound. That's because it's followed by an M or an N. We're gonna add a letter, and we're gonna make the word ham. Can you guys say ham? Ham. What letter would we have to add to make it say ham? Ham. All right, let's read our word to make sure it says ham. Am. Ham. You guys notice again it makes that sound because it's followed by an M. Okay, now we're gonna switch out one of the letters, and we're gonna make the word hat. Can you guys say hat? Hat. Alright, you guys both have a T there. Okay, let's read it to make sure it says hat. Hat. Okay, so guys, notice how it says now. It doesn't say anymore. That's because it's not followed by an M or an N. Now we have a T here. Now we're going to review the words that we just made. We're going to read them again. And when we read them, I want you to tell me if they make the or a sound. So this is the first one. What word is this? Am. Do you hear or a? Am. All right, what about this one? Ham. Do we hear or a? Yeah. All right, what about this one? Hat. Do we hear or a? So now we're gonna read something about jam. Do you guys know what jam is?
No.
No? Okay, so we're gonna learn about it. So this is jam. You guys see it? Have you ever seen this before?
No.
No? So jam, it's a spread. It's kind of like similar to jelly, and you put it on toast or some other things that people eat for breakfast, and it's made out of fruit. All right, so we are going to be reading about apple jam, and we're going to learn about how it's made, and then we're going to talk about it when we're done, okay? Before we start, do you guys see any words that have that an or am sound?
Right here.
What is that one?
And
Do you see one? Oh, what does that say? Pan. So we're going to do some whisper reading. If you need help, I'll be right here.
it is
This one's sugar. What did you guys learn about jam? Let me reread this one. What's the first thing you do when you make jam? What's the first thing you do? You chop? What do you chop?
apple.
Apples? And then what do you get? Yeah, that's how you make jam. Good job. High five. High five. Go back to reading.